Hi everyone, this is Dari from DTA Cloud Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to create another Active Directory inside your Azure tenants. By default, Azure tenants included one Active Directory free, and you can create another one. For example, if you want to use that new Active Directory for lab purpose or other domain, you wanted to test something, so you can do the steps I show you in a minute here. By default, you have one Active Directory, and you can go to your Azure portal here, and you can see Azure Active Directory here. I have a one here. And if you don't know how to go to the Active Directory, simply write here Active Directory in the search here, and you can find your Active Directory here. You can see users, a group, and all users, of course, under your Active Directory here. So if you wanted to create a new one from your Active Directory, you can simply go to the Manage Tenants. And from Manage Tenants, this is your default one. You can make as a favorite as well here. Then you can create another one. I'm going to create another one. And as you can see, they ask you, do you want to use Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, or you wanted to go with the business to consumer? Just keep it default with the Azure Active Directory. Configure here for the organization's name, so I just put a DTA, for example, cloud, and after that ask me for initial domain name. So initial domain name, for example, this one will be, and also the domain should be unique, so I just put it 01 here to make it unique. Then after that, when done this one with the location as well, by default in United States, you can change it as well. So I put it by default here. Then after that, create. All right, after that, hit create, then put it the verification code here. Then after a few minutes, you can see the new Active Directory. All right, as you can see, the Active Directory here, DTA Cloud 01 on Microsoft.com is the initial domain here, and the Active Directory is ready, and I can make it favorite as well. So later on, if I wanted to switch to this, I will go to my name here. As you can see, I can switch from director to another. So right now, I'm in the cloud solutions or DTA cloud solution, so I can jumping to DTA cloud, the new domain. I will say switch. When I go there, I can create all the user under DTA cloud 01. So as you can see here, maybe we can do cancel here. Then you go to the Active Directory here, Active Directory, and in the Active Directory here, as you can see here, the users I have all under DTA Cloud, which is a new one. I can create whatever any user here. And remember, this is called Cloud. If I wanted to switch the original one, if I wanted to switch to original tenants, also again, I go to switch directory. Then after that, I go to DTA Cloud Solution, which is the original one. Then switch. Then after that, you're gonna see the users under this tenants or under this Active Directory. Also, again, I go to the Active Directory from here, users, and you see this is the tenants, the original one, and users. I have a few users here as well, different than other tenants. That's all what I have. Thank you for watching.